Today you'll take the Section 10-2 quiz for Social Studies. Be sure to put your name, date, and the class period at the top of the page. The first section of the quiz is true-false. Number 1. Jefferson believed that French control of the Louisiana Territory would improve American trade on the Mississippi River. True or false? 2. The revolt in Santo Domingo had an effect on France's plans in the United States. True or false? Number 3. After 18 months, the Lewis and Clark expedition reached the Pacific Ocean. True or false? Number 4. Lewis and Clark's expedition collected valuable information on people, plants, and animals. True or false? Number 5. A group of Republicans plotted to secede from the Union. True or false? The next section is multiple choice. Indicate which answer best completes the statement or answers the question. Number 6. Before it was transferred in 1802, the Louisiana Territory belonged to who? A. England, B. France, C. Louisiana, or D. Spain. Number 7. After it was secretly transferred in 1802, the Louisiana Territory belonged to who? A. England, B. France, C. Spain, or D. the United States. Number 8. The size of the United States was doubled with what? A. The adoption of New Orleans, B. The expedition of Lewis and Clark, C. The Louisiana Purchase, or D. Zebulon Pike's expedition. Number 9. The Grand Peak was named by the explorer A. Meriwether Lewis, B. Sacagawea, C. William Clark, D. Zebulon Pike. Number 10. Which politician died as a result of a duel? Was it A. Aaron Burr, B. Alexander Hamilton, C. John Adams, or D. Thomas Jefferson?